Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As they say, we eat with our eyes first. And it's true. It's about presentation. A dish can come out ordinary or elegant and appealing if it's plated properly. There's a recipe I like using, especially when I have guests over, and it's my white bean puree. Not only is it creamy and incredibly tasty, but it makes a nice base for your protein. It can also be served as an appetizer. So let's get cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll melt butter, and when it starts sizzling, we'll add shallots. We'll saute them until translucent, about 1.5 to 2 minutes at the most. To this, we'll add a can of navy beans that has been drained and rinsed. In Canada, we don't really have lima beans, and cannelloni beans are normally found in specialty stores, so the next best option is to use navy beans. And for more info, visit the blog. We'll pour in some chicken broth, although vegetable is a great substitute. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. As soon as we see it start boiling, we'll remove from the heat and pour the mixture into the jar of a blender. We'll now add freshly squeezed lemon juice, some hot paprika, of course, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll put the lid on and process until somewhat smooth before pouring in extra virgin olive oil through the feeder. I normally add only half a tablespoon of it, but you can go to a full one if you want. Voila, it's done. Creamy and smooth. And my friends, this is our white bean puree. This versatile recipe is quick and easy to make, plus so healthy. With its creamy texture, this is a great side for your protein as well as a gorgeous appetizer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!